watching BTV.
Almost 20 years ago, a gold mine in the Yukon was closed, temporarily. The price of gold had collapsed to less than $300 an ounce. But this year, the price of gold has moved past $1,500 an ounce. So is this the right time to reopen the Brewery Creek gold mine? Golden Predator thinks it is. They're ready to pick up where the previous owners left off.
They left about 150,000 ounces, and Golden Predator picked it up in 2009, drilled about $30 million worth of drilling in 3 years, expanded to about 850,000 oxide ounces, and we've continued to drill past that, but the PEA is at that rate. And we see a lot more upside in exploration as well as advancing the project back into production.
But just how ready is the mine to go back into production?
The Brewery Creek mine is fully licensed. It has a quartz mining license, it has a water license. There was a letter from the government and from the Toronto-Quitchen confirming the validity of the licenses. We recently completed a private placement for about $8.5 million. That is going predominantly to drilling Brewery Creek so we can upgrade and expand the resource. The certainty and the clarity that the financial community needs in order to finance it is there.
Golden Predator is also developing another project in the Yukon, 3 Aces.
The 3 Aces is a high-grade orogenic gold project. It has outcrops that go above 3,000 grams per ton at surface. The 3 Aces project is really like a series of pearls on a pearl necklace. It's our job to find those pods of high-grade ore. We'll continue to drill there.
Bulk sampling from 3 Aces is done at the company's nearby test processing plant, a first for the Yukon.
We saw the opportunity to capture that information and build our technical knowledge, as well as creating the spin-off benefits for the community. So building it has, I think, shown the opportunity for a more fulsome, wholesome mining industry. And the more money we retain here, the stronger we all get.
We includes the First Nations communities.
When we wanted to restart the Brewery Creek gold mine, the first place we went was to the Toronto-Quitchen. And it was important that we understand that we both share the same vision for the project. Our belief is that you have to bring the community along with you, and wealth has to stay locally. And I think what excites me most about what we have here, it is a humbling opportunity to be able to return that back to our shareholders in the community. It's a very satisfying feeling.
With the approval of both the Yukon government and the First Nations in hand, as well as all required permits, Golden Predator expects to begin reconstruction of the Brewery Creek gold mine in 2020.